Wingbank becomes first partner to offer new no-deposit Ford loan and 1-year interest profit. The collaboration between Wingbank and RMA Cambodia will fulfill the dream of customers to become car owners with car loan with no down payment, no interest for 12 months, and get 100% loan size of car prices. Wingbank, Cambodia, CMC and RMA, Cambodia, CMC held a signing ceremony of a Memorandum of Understanding to cooperate in providing car loans. Through this collaboration, it will provide a quick and easy way for customers to become the owner of a modern Ford without the need for cash on hand. The signing ceremony of the Memorandum of Understanding, MOU, was held on Friday, April 28, 2023 to announce the partnership on car loan signed by Mr. Han Pung Quang, CEO of Wingbank, and Mr. Ngorn Sang, CEO of RMA, Cambodia. The event was also attended by management from both institutions and many distinguished guests. We are pleased to partner with RMA, Cambodia, to provide a vital solution to our customers, said Wingbank CEO Han Pung Quang. We believe that everyone deserves the opportunity to own the car of their dreams. And we want to make that dream come true for our customers, whether they are Cambodians or foreigners living in Cambodia, who are not worried about the deposit and do not have to pay interest for 12 months. The CEO of Wingbank added, Wingbank is a banking institution that offers a wide range of financial solutions and is a banking institution that is showing remarkable growth in Cambodia. RMA, Cambodia, is the only company in Cambodia that imports and distributes Ford, Land Rover, and John Deere tractors. Through this collaboration, customers will benefit from a convenient loan application from Wingbank, which will approve the loan as soon as possible after the customer completes the necessary documents and goes through the bank's verification process. The terms of the car loan are attractive, with customers being able to get a loan size of up to 100% of the car price or a maximum loan size of US $100,000. Mr. Ngorn Sang, CEO of RMA, Cambodia, said, "For customers who want to own a car, we now have a special offer to buy a car with no deposit and no down payment. Full-year interest for Ford Ranger Wildtrak, Everest, EcoSport, Territory 2022. This is the first time that AMA, Cambodia, and Wingbank have established such a partnership, and this is just the beginning." Mr. Ngorn Sang continued, Ford has now expanded its range of auto parts and repair services to other provinces, such as Kampong Cham and Siem Reap, and we also have a number of partner garages across 25 provinces in Cambodia. We have recently set up a customer service office to provide fast and easy customer service inquiries or to communicate directly with our experts. Customers can visit RMA, Cambodia, showroom to find out more about Wingbank car loans and offers. This offer is a great opportunity for customers to become owners of luxury Ford cars and even enjoy flexible payment options.